What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. We're at one of my favorite auctions in town, man. If you peep the name back there, let me know. But yeah, back at my favorite auction, man. We got some of the cars here from last week. I'm not gonna pass up the same car I passed up last week, man. I'm not gonna pass it up twice, man. So we're gonna do some reviewing right now before they even get the stuff on the window to tell you about the car, man. I'm here early, man. You know we live, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. So let's get into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, first up, man, we got a 2001 Hyundai XG300 here, 131,000 miles, man. First glance, it does look pretty cool. We are missing a center cap on this wheel, nothing too crazy. If we do got a little fender roll, little wave effect. I mean, you take a look at the inside, it is some nice black leather interior. Does seem pretty fair, pretty legit. No radio, but it does look pretty good in here. It only has 131,000 miles on it. Does have the sunroof as well. Me personally, I haven't even heard of the XG300 before. But the ones I have seen at an auction, this is probably the cleanest one I have seen. It do have a little slight tequila kickage here in the door, and as well one up here. So let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 2019 Chevy Spark here. That's what it's called, right? Spark? Yeah, we got a 2019 Chevy Spark here. Really clean little car. Got the little door handles on the windows, but 5,000 miles? Yeah, really good looking car, man. Only got about 5,000 miles. Pretty decent. Nice little interface, man. Pretty clean little whip. I'm digging it. Looks brand new, so I'm sure this one will go for like $3,000, maybe like $4,000. But it's tax time now, so you never know, man. Let me know what y'all think about it, though. Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, a blast from the past. We got a 2005 Ford Taurus here, 178,000 miles. Pretty cool little Taurus, man. It is the wagon, so it does have that secret third row in the back. Probably a lot of people won't know about that. But 178,000 miles. We take a quick look at the inside. Does look pretty good. We have 3 seats up here. We have 3 more seats back there, and like 2 or 3 more seats in the back. So this is like a 12, 3, 6, 9 seater in this joint. Pretty good looking car. Just open the back and show you real quick. This thing, you lift this up right here, click that button, and it turns into a seat. But we don't want to lift that up because it might maybe something we might be interested in, and we don't want it to go too expensive. So what y'all think about the 2005 Ford Taurus, man? Let me know in the comments below. And we seen this one last week, guys, the 05 Toyota Corolla. It sold for like, it was at like $400 and nobody wanted it. And this is why nobody wanted it. The door is like super whooped, along with this like little quarter panel right here. Super whooped. And then it was this side over here. It was like super sharp. So if you rub against this, man, it's a wrap. So you would have to bondo this down, get it pulled out a little bit, fix that. I would probably honestly leave it just like the other side, just like it is, because it's already been repaired once. It is like 2 different color like oranges up here. You have brand new headlights on it. But if we take a look at the inside, just for the people who haven't seen it last week or when it was here, it does look pretty fair in the inside. And like I said, this thing sold, not even sold, they wanted like $400 for it and nobody bought it. Pretty good little running car. I'll just show you guys underneath really quick. Does seem pretty fair. Nice little car, man. Pretty cool, clean engine bay. And I already checked out the oil and everything. It looks clean as well. So, man, let me know what y'all think about the Toyota Corolla in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. We got a 2000 Cadillac DeVille here. 154,000 miles on the dash. Does seem pretty fair. Does have the blue top on it. However, this Cadillac in particular does have the North Star engine, but this white on like blue top just looks so nice. Kind of makes me want to like navy blue the top of my Camaro. But if we take a look at the inside, it does smell really good in here, man. We got some nice quality fine Cadillac leather, man. Pimping ain't easy, man. And everything in here look pretty clean. Like I said, the top is a nice navy blue. The interior is really nice in the inside. It does have the North Star. You do have a little bit of rust going on there. Nothing too crazy though. Seems like it'll be a pretty fair Cadillac. For how long, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. But at 154,000 miles, you guys think it still got a lot of room to go? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, next up, man, we got a 2004 Kia Sedona here, 138,000 miles. You guys remember my Kia Sedona? We got it for like $600 and sold it for like $1,800. Pretty good looking car we got here. Mine was white, this one is green. You're missing like some center caps. However, the body does seem pretty fair. We can take a quick look at the inside. We have some decent light gray cloth interior, which is pretty fair. I don't see anything that really stands out. You do have the third row with the individual seating right there, so that's a +2. Interface, and you do have an aftermarket radio. So this is a pretty cool looking Saturn, 138,000 miles. Judging it runs good, this would be something I wouldn't mind getting, just because I know I mean, the last one, they came and bought it with no questions. They didn't even care. But not saying that would happen again, but you know, got some faith. Let me know what y'all think about the Kia Sedona in the comments below. Next up, man, this one was actually here last week too, man. It was the 2005 Saturn Relax with the broken out window. If you guys didn't remember, I'll give you a quick, super quick review. It does have the light gray leather interior, really good looking car. The only thing that was wrong with it, from what I seen, was the back window is going to be out. So we can actually call around today before the auction and see how much this window would be. But let me know what y'all think about the Saturn, man, because you guys already seen it. No need to go into detail. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, man. Pretty decent ride. Pretty decent ride. Man, this one was actually here too last week. It was a 2002 Chevy Venture, 127,000 miles. Nobody wanted. They actually sold it for $300, and they didn't come pick it up, man. This thing is super clean on the inside. You gotta check it out. Look at the seats. Nice little seats, and you do. Oh no, you don't have any third row back there, but up here it does look really good. You have the aftermarket radio. These seats look to be in pretty good shape, as well as the driver's seat does look really good in here, man. You got the little settings up here, so that's a +2. This door is gonna take some muscle work opening and closing, but nice little Chevy Venture, man. They sold it for $300 and they didn't come pick it up last week, so I might be the one to grab this joint this week, because we're not gonna miss out on it twice. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think about it. Alrighty guys, we got a 2003 Ford Escape here, 184,000 miles. Pretty good looking Escape. However, the paint is fading. We do got a slight tequila kickage over here along the hips. Pretty whoop little door here, nothing crazy though. If we open up, we do have like some leather door handles. However, the seats are cloth and they are stained up and pretty wood, but they got some nice seat covers on them and it smells pretty decent. However, the back seats are stained up as well. I don't know what they was doing in here, but I don't want no parts, so. And you're missing a radio in there. But honestly, if it drives pretty good, I wouldn't mind doing something with it. We can check under the hood really quick, just so I can give you guys a better look. It does look really clean and pretty legit under here. What y'all think about the Ford Escape, man? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, man, we got a 07 Saturn Aurora. Saturn Aura or Aurora, I don't know. 149,000 miles on the dash. Pretty good looking Saturn. Headlights does need to be restored. It does have a pretty nice body. 149,000 miles. You guys know Saturn's is out of business. Got a little bit of rust up here. Maybe hard to find parts, I don't know, but judging it runs good, you may not need it. You may not have it long enough. You may be able to sell it pretty fast, but the interior does look pretty good. Got like some stuff up there. I don't know what that is. Maybe blood, I don't know. But yeah, this thing is gonna need a full detail. Everything in there seems intact. However, Saturn's out of business, so you guys want to deal with that? I don't know. Does seem like a pretty good looking car though, if you ask me. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And you guys seen the GMC from last week. It was knocking. Nobody came and picked it up. We got a 2010 Mazda 5 here. Pretty nice looking Mazda. 131,000 miles on the dash, man. Really nice looking color here. Headlights could be restored. They are faded a little bit. But this one actually does have the sliding door. So that's pretty nice. Look at that. It has the sliding door. Nice interior. I mean, interior could be detailed pretty properly. Does have the third row. Then if we look up here, everything seems to be intact. Pretty nice little van. And it has the little DVD player up top. So that's a plus too. 131,000 miles. Nice little Mazda 5. Wouldn't mind getting this joint, but I already know people gonna be bidding like crazy on this joint. I'll show you guys under the hood really quick. Yeah, it looks like the brake fluid is topped off. Does have antifreeze, and everything else looks to be in order. It is missing the engine cover, but that's no biggie. Does seem pretty fair under there. What y'all think about the Mazda 5, man? Let me know in the comments below. Now, this is a pretty nice little Mercury here, man. It's a 95 Grand Marquis, 155,000 miles on the dash. You are missing a little mirror here, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. 155,000, man. Let's see what it's looking like under the hood first. It's at 155,000, man. This thing looks pretty sharp. Looks like you got some new little parts here and there. Whoever had this car took really good care of it. Everything is topped off, new battery. Yeah, this is a pretty good looking car, man. This honestly, I wouldn't mind bidding on. Me personally, I'm not a Grand Marquis type of guy, but underneath the hood and everything seems pretty legit. If we take a look at the inside, it does have the old smell, so an old person had it. It has that light gray leather, but Grand Marquis LS. Got the super huge trunk in the back. You could probably fit like 4 bodies back there. This is a mobster's favorite car back in the day. What y'all think about it? 155,000 miles, man. Let me know in the comments below. We don't want the 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Neither do we want the 99 Volkswagen Beetle with 167,000 miles, painted like a spray painted blue, a spray bottle. And we don't want the Ford Windstar with 180,000 miles and no door handles to even get in this joint. See that? And that's on both sides. So moving along here, moving along. You guys already seen the Malibu from last week, 2006, 141,000 miles. Does have some front end damage. Honestly, not that bad. Not that bad of a front end damage. Probably pop the hood and check it out. These things aren't that reliable though, man, but I'll show y'all. The inside do look all right. All right, so the radiator support doesn't look to be bent. Does look like the condenser However, maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's just slanted or not. But it does seem like a pretty decent whip. I mean, you get this front end fix, you'll have a pretty solid whip. 141,000 miles. Bad head gaskets on an Acura. And then the truck, it starts up, I believe it's like a 2000. Nice little Yukon. Blacked out. It's like, yeah, it's blacked out. They painted that. 170,000 miles. Nice interior. Nice cloth interior. Everything is like clean, no rips. You got third row back there. Pretty decent family truck, man. You got the Pioneer radio. It's definitely something I would be bidding on. But judging by the one that sold last week, this one might sell around the same price. I think the Z71 sold for like maybe like 1,800 or something like that. But has the 5.3 in there. Kind of smells like radiator fluid. But it is what it is. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. A couple more vans and cars that don't run and that are wrecked, but they gotta get sold. Got the little diesel. Yeah, man. So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We got a few cars here from last week that we might take a chance on. Who knows? Stay tuned for that auction. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Let me know what was your favorite cars, what would you bid on, and what would you bid up to. You guys already know the auction and how much these cars sell for, so let me know what you think about it in the comments below, man. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.